Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the case replacement on your Lenovo 80x10⁵, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic spudger. Make sure you have a clean, static-free work environment to prevent any damage to your device. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is typically done by sliding the battery release latch and lifting the battery out. Now, locate the screws on the back panel. There are usually several Phillips screws securing the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove all the screws and place them in a safe location. Remember, it's important to keep track of which screws go where, as some may vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, being careful not to damage the clips holding the cover in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you might have missed. With the back panel removed, take this opportunity to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and heat sinks. This step is crucial as it can help improve the overall performance and longevity of your laptop. Next, you'll want to prepare your new case. Align the new case with the internal components, ensuring that all ports and connectors are accessible. If you encounter any difficulties, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and trouble. Once the new case is aligned, press it gently into place, ensuring it clicks into the clips. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. After securing the back cover, reinsert the battery if applicable. Power on your Lenovo 80x10⁵ to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Finally, if you need assistance at any point during this process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in your repair costs. With your new case successfully installed, you can now enjoy the refreshed look and feel of your Lenovo 80x10⁵. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.